everyone, welcome back to my class. Let us discuss about the forest. Forest is a natural resource because it is a habitat of plants and animals. And many herbs, shrubs and trees are also present in the forest. So it is called as a natural resource as it is a habitat of plants and animals, and over exploitation or over usage of the forest products or the forest can leads to the disturbance in the environmental setup. And forest is not only the habitat of plants and animals and the source of many products, it is also called as the lungs of our earth, because it restores the oxygen content in the air. That is the reason it is called as lungs of the earth. And it also helps in increasing the amount of the rainfall that is used for agriculture and the irrigation purposes. So there are many things that are present in the forest that makes our life better. So the exploitation or the over usage of the forest products leads to the deforestation. That means the forest is being exploited and the deforestation occurs. Deforestation is nothing but the cutting down the trees. So the people used to cut down the trees in order to get the wood. They are clearing the land of the forest to set up some factories, industries, and for urbanization, that is to make the cities, and also to get the wood. So this leads to the deforestation, and every year 36 million acres of land is clearing up. That means half the size of our state is disappeared from the globe each year because of the deforestation. And how the deforestation is affecting our lives? There are two major effects of the deforestation, that are, the first one is greenhouse effect. The deforestation leads to the greenhouse effect. This greenhouse effect is nothing but the increase in the temperature of the earth. As the carbon dioxide is released by the humans in the air or in the surrounding, the carbon dioxide gas is present and that is absorbed by the plants, that is taken up by the plants. If the plants will not be available in our surrounding, then that carbon dioxide amount or the quantity of that carbon dioxide is increases in the atmosphere. That leads to increases in the temperature of the atmosphere, and this is called as greenhouse effect. So because of the deforestation, it leads to the increase in the temperature of the atmosphere, which is called as greenhouse effect. And this greenhouse effect takes place by the accumulation of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide in our surroundings. And the next or the second effect is problem to tribals. Tribals are the people who are completely dependent on the forest for their food, for the shelter. So if the deforestation occur, if the people are cutting down the trees, then the forest land is disappeared. So where they are going to live then? These tribal peoples faces many problems due to the deforestation. These are the people who can collect the products of the forest carefully without any damage to the plants and animals. And the lives of these tribal peoples is very much different from that of the lives of urban people, because these peoples are not greedy. They use the things only for their survival and they use the things in a proper amount. They don't use the things extensively. The over exploitation cannot be done by the tribals. This is the nature of the tribals, and due to the deforestation, the livelihood, the loss of the livelihood of tribals is taking place. They do not over exploit or overuse the things. So the livelihood of the tribals are getting disturbed due to the human activities like deforestation. So it is very important, or it is very crucial to follow the practices that helps to conserve the forest. So there are some practices that needs to be taken into consideration in order to protect the forest, and that practices were followed by the Bishnois of Rajasthan. They have given the 29 rules to protect or to conserve the forest. You might have heard about Amrita Devi and her daughters who clung the trees to protect them, to prevent the trees from cutting down, because the king has ordered some of the people to cut down the trees in order to get the wood to build his palace. But the villagers protest against this and they sacrifice their lives. And the Bishnois of Rajasthan, they have a set of 29 rules to preserve the coexistence way of living, that is living along with the plants and animals. So they are the inspiration for us because they have taken a pledge to conserve the coexisting or the peaceful coexistence of nature. So in this way, it shows how the struggle is felt by them to protect the nature. Even though the technologies were not available at that time and the reports were not given about how the environment is affected, but these people, Bishnois of Rajasthan, they understood that the forest is a part of our life and they noticed the importance of the plants and animals for leading a better life. So they noticed the importance of the plants that plays a very crucial role in our lives. So this is about the forest, and here the various methods are given to conserve the forest, and there are low impact logging. This is the method by which we can conserve or we can protect the forest. And the next one is harvesting with a natural regeneration. It means whatever the products we harvest from the forest, we should have an idea about its regeneration in our mind. We should know how that products can be regenerated, then only we can harvest the products from the forest. So this is also a method by which we can protect the forest. And the next one is removing all high value trees. This is a method which is negligible, which should be avoided. And the next one is usage of alternative forms of wood. The main reason for which the forest is cutting down is for making furnitures. For making furnitures, the people used to cut down the trees to get the wood. So if we use the alternative form of wood, then it will minimize the usage of wood. Nowadays, plastic furniture is made which is an alternative form for the wood, which reduces the consumption of the wood. So in this way, we can protect the forest. And if we make the plastic furniture, then it should be disposable. The proper disposal of the plastic is needed in such situation. And the furniture can also be made by using cane, which is a grass, and also by using bamboo. The bamboos can be collected from the forest in a safe and harmonious way. So these are the things that can be used as an alternative for the wood, and it reduces the consumption of the wood. That decreases or that stops the deforestation, that prevents the deforestation. And one more method by which we can conserve the forest is by recycling the paper. In many countries, the paper is recycled in order to conserve or in order to protect the trees, because we get the paper from the trees only. So if the paper is recycled, then it reduces the consumption of the trees. So in this way, we can protect the forest or we can save our nature. If you want to use a white paper, then you should have think that it is made of a lot of wood and chemicals. It is a cost of a tree. So you should always conserve the paper, you should always recycle the paper. That leads to the conservation of many trees. So in this way, there are certain methods by which we can conserve the forest, by which we can save our nature. And these steps are to be taken to prevent the deforestation. So this is about the natural resource forest. तो forest भी एक natural resource है, क्योंकि ये habitat है plants और animals के लिए, और कई तरह के products भी हमें forest में से मिल सकते हैं. और ये forest को हम lungs of the earth भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि forest में trees present होते हैं और वो trees oxygen content maintain करते हैं air में oxygen content को maintain करने के लिए help करते हैं. इसके लिए फॉरेस्ट को लंग्स ऑफ द अर्थ भी कहा जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पर फैक्ट्रीज और इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह का सेटअप करने के लिए पीपल ट्रीज को कट कर रहे हैं, तो ये कट डाउन ऑफ द ट्रीज को हम बोलेंगे डिफॉरेस्टेशन. और ये डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से कई तरह की प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ता है. और यहाँ पर दो मेजर इफेक्ट्स है इसके, और वो है ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट और प्रॉब्लम टू ट्राइबल्स. ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट यानी टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाना एटमॉस्फेयर का ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस की अक्यूमुलेशन की वजह से. अब जब ट्रीज कट कर दिए जाएंगे, जब ट्रीज प्रेजेंट नहीं रहेंगे सराउंडिंग में, तो जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस है वो ट्रीज ही एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, ट्रीज ही लेते हैं. तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का अमाउंट ज्यादा हो जाएगा एटमॉस्फेयर में, जो कि टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज कर देगा. तो इस चीज को हम बोलेंगे ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. और प्रॉब्लम टू ट्राइबल्स. ट्राइबल्स यानी ऐसे पीपल जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ फॉरेस्ट पे ही डिपेंड होते हैं. वो फूड, शेल्टर, ये सारी चीजें उनको फॉरेस्ट में से ही मिलते हैं. तो अगर फॉरेस्ट को ही क्लियर अप कर दिया जाएगा और ट्रीज को कट डाउन कर दिया जाएगा, तब ये ट्राइबल्स का जो भी लाइवलीहुड है वो लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. यानी ये लोग सही से रह नहीं पाएंगे. डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से ट्राइबल्स को भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करना पड़ता है. तो ये हो गया हमारे इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन. अभी बात करेंगे थोड़े से ऐसे मेथड्स की जिसको फॉलो करके फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व किया जा सकता है, यानी प्रोटेक्ट किया जा सकता है. और यहाँ पर वो मेथड्स है लो इम्पैक्ट लॉगिंग, हार्वेस्टिंग विद द नेचुरल रीजनरेशन, यानी जो भी हम प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं फॉरेस्ट में से वो फिर से रीजनरेट होना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो इस मेथड से भी हम फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं। और दूसरा है यूजेज ऑफ ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ वुड, यानी ये ट्रीज को कट डाउन करने की सबसे मेन वजह होती है फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए। तो अगर यहाँ पर वुड का ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म यूज़ किया जाएगा तो फिर ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी ट्रीज को कट करने की। तो इसके लिए ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म जैसे कि प्लास्टिक है, केन है, बैम्बू है, ये सारे चीज़ें भी यूज़ करके फर्नीचर बनाया जा सकता है, जिससे वुड का कंजम्पशन रिड्यूस हो सकता है और हम हमारे फॉरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और लास्ट वाला है रिसाइकलिंग पेपर, यानी हम जब भी पेपर यूज़ करते हैं तब हमें सोचना चाहिए कि ये वाला पेपर वुड का इस्तेमाल से आया है, कई तरह के केमिकल्स लगे हैं इसको बनाने के लिए, तो इसका सही से इस्तेमाल हो और हमें ज़्यादा पेपर को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि पेपर को रिसाइकिल करके हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए। तो ये सारे ऐसे मेथड्स हैं जिससे फॉरेस्ट कंजर्व हो सकता है और ये मेथड्स को फॉलो करके डिफॉरेस्टेशन को भी प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट द फॉरेस्ट and the methods by which we can prevent the deforestation. That's all for today. Meet you in next class. Goodbye.